In today's video, we're actually going to look at how you can actually apply for monetization. Now, if you haven't watched day 33, guys, I suggest that you give it a watch. We have reached monetization and we have got the requirements that we need to start earning a passive income by using YouTube. And we achieved this in 33 days. So if you haven't watched all these videos over here, I suggest you give them a watch because I've given you a step-by-step strategy that you could actually use and start a passive income yourself by using YouTube. So without further ado, let's look at how you can actually apply for monetization. Now, as you can see, this is a channel, Health Vibe Zone, and this was started from scratch. And from the first day to day 33, I showed you exactly what I did and how I did it in order to reach monetization. So you can go ahead and check the channel out yourself. The name of the channel is Health Vibe Zone. Now, if we head over to the dashboard, we'll be able to see that we have 1,639 subscribers and 6,500 watch hours. If you click on analytics, we'll be able to look at all the statistics that we have. As you can see, this is the situation, and we have gotten 114,000 views in the last 28 days with 6,500 hours. And if you look at in the last 7 days, you can see that once we actually applied the changes, you can clearly see the amount of views that we start to get and the increase that we had in them. Now, as you can clearly see that we have 70,888 views just in the last 7 days and 3,900 watch hours and 638 subscribers that came in 7 days. So basically we are on a very good footing. So let's head over to earn, and once we head over to earn, you'll see that now we can apply for the YouTube program and we can become a partner by clicking apply now, and we get the benefits to actually earn from the watch page ads, from the short feed ad, from memberships, supers, and shopping. So if I scroll down, guys, you'll be able to see that we have reached the requirements, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. We have the 2 steps verification that's done, and we are actually following the community guidelines, and we have no active strikes, meaning we have done nothing in regards to copyrights, and we have created content which is copyright free. So let's go ahead and click on apply now. Now over here, we have 3 steps that we have to do in order to actually get into the YouTube program. The first one is the review base terms, where we need to read the terms carefully to understand what we're applying for. Let's click on start and look at all these terms. Now, obviously, the territory we're in right now is Pakistan. We can change the country or territory where you're from because I'm actually based in Pakistan at the moment. So this is going to be based in Pakistan. And the reason for that is, guys, because whatever country that you're residing in, where you created the YouTube channel, and the second most important thing is where your bank account is going to be, because now, guys, when we actually earn from YouTube, that money is going to be sent into our bank account. And I'm going to show you in the upcoming videos how much I earn from these videos, and I want that money. And that is the reason why for that passive income, I need to give clear information about where I'm based, where my bank account is, and my AdSense account is, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So let's scroll down, and obviously I have gone through this multiple times because I have multiple channels that I'm running that are monetized. So I understand all these elements that are available, because if you have not done this before, you need to understand the different dynamics that are involved in actually the terms and condition of YouTube. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that there is taxation that is actually applied on the income that you earn, and the income that you earn from the United States is going to have a different tax bracket from the income that you're going to earn from India, Pakistan, and any other country. You will not earn any money whatsoever from places like Ukraine and Russia because they are banned through YouTube program, and they're not allowed to actually earn from those countries. And also Chinese views are not included in the payment that you receive. So you need to keep that in mind. Now, the payment account requirement is that in order to earn or receive partner earning from these base terms, you must at all times have an active AdSense account associated with the YouTube user account. Now, your AdSense account is not your Gmail. Now, you need to create an AdSense account, and your AdSense account is based on your Gmail email. But if you do not have that, I would suggest for you to create an email. It doesn't necessarily need to be the same email on which the YouTube channel is created. It can be a different email. It doesn't make a difference. All you need to make sure is that it's your email, you have control over it, and obviously you know the password and all the different requirements that are connected with an AdSense account. Now, after we have read all of this, and I suggest you give this a read in great detail, detail. I don't want to go in great detail on this one because this will take at least 3-4 videos to understand this. So I accept the base terms and I click on accept terms. Now, once I click on accept terms, this will update the actual information and say the first step has been done. Now we have to sign up for the AdSense for our YouTube. You can create a new AdSense for your YouTube account or connect an existing account to your channel. You need an AdSense for YouTube account to monetize and get paid. So let's click on start. Now, once you do that, you'll be redirected to the AdSense for YouTube to complete the steps. So do you have an existing AdSense or an AdSense for YouTube account? So I'm going to click on select and can say, yes, I have an existing AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. And once you do that, you're said that you're only allowed one AdSense or AdSense for your YouTube account per person. Because you have an existing AdSense account for you should select the email associated with that account on the next screen. So guys, let me add another account. I'm not going to show you the account I'm adding because I want to make sure that my privacy is actually kept and no one actually steals the information that I put on, because this is going out to the World Wide Web. So I'm just going to blur this out. And after I've done that, you can see now that we've added our AdSense. So the second step is done and we have successfully linked an AdSense for the YouTube account. Now our third step is, which is in progress, that YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policy. And we'll email you a decision usually within a month. This step begins automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. Now guys, this usually takes about 2 to 3 days before we actually get into it. Sometimes even it's done in 24 hours. And once it's done, you will start earning on the views that you get on your channel. Now remember guys, if you have views that are coming from the United States and all the first world developed countries, you'll be able to get between $2 to $4 or $5 per 1,000 views. So for example, if you have 100,000 views, you can actually earn more than $400 or sometimes $500 per that particular video. That's just one video, and you will continuously earn income as long as YouTube exists and then video continues to move. So guys, I'm going to show you exactly how much I earn per video to give you that complete transparency so you can understand how much you can earn passively from using YouTube and following the steps and the strategies that we've spoken about in the last 33 videos. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and let me know what you guys think about these videos. If you have any questions, you can ask me. If you're actually a YouTuber or you're doing YouTube automation and you have questions in regards to what kind of thumbnail that you have, is it good or not, and you want to get my opinion about it, you can also share that with me on WhatsApp or on Discord. Both the links for my WhatsApp and Discord are available in the description below. So head over there and check it out. And the best thing that you can actually do, guys, is share this video with individuals that are actually thinking of starting YouTube automation so they can actually get a step ahead of the curve and understand what the things that they need to do. The purpose of these videos is to help you, to guide you, and to give you a chance to get a competitive advantage over all the other individuals that are thinking about YouTube automation. So if you're watching these videos, thank you, and thank you for staying with us in this journey. Our next videos are going to be more in detail about different elements in regards to how we create the videos, what kind of tools that we use for thumbnail creation, what kind of tools we use for script writing, what kind of tools do we use for video editing, and how we make the videos that we do. So stay tuned for those series, and until then, take care.